Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making a delicious and creamy peanut butter mousse. Let's go! To start, we're going to toast some walnuts in a 180-degree preheated oven. The walnuts should take anywhere between 8 to 10 minutes depending on the quality of the walnuts you have. Next, we're going to measure out 100 ml of chilled heavy cream. The walnuts have been roasting for about 8 minutes now and they're looking nice and done. Walnuts contain a lot of natural oils, so when you toast them, you oxidize those fats, which makes them really tasty. It really deepens and intensifies the flavor of the nuts. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of powdered erythritol to our cream and mix thoroughly. We're not trying to get stiff peaks or anything, we're just trying to make sure that the sugar is evenly mixed throughout the cream. Don't forget to scrape down the sides and mix again. And now it's time to bring to the party the star of the show, 2 heaping tablespoons of creamy, sugar-free peanut butter. This is Gorilla Peanut Butter. It's a new brand that I'm trying out. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this if you've tried it, or let me know if you want me to do a review. This isn't a sponsored video, but I really like the fact that you can now get unsweetened, all-natural peanut butter in Lahore. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of erythritol to the whole thing and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then using a whisk or an electric beater, we're going to combine all the ingredients together until they are nice and homogeneous. We're also going to add a few pinches of sea salt. This really accents the flavor of the peanuts and cuts through the sweetness of the erythritol. Don't forget to scrape down the sides and mix those in as well so that we're not wasting any of this good stuff. Give it a taste, and then remember you toasted walnuts. Take about a 1/4 cup of the toasted walnuts, cover them with a clean dish towel, and crush them with the business end of a mallet. Add the walnuts to the peanut butter mousse, give it a good stir, and pour into your serving dish of choice. I like to smooth out the surface of the mousse using the back of a teaspoon and then add a few halved toasted walnuts with a little dollop of cream. I like to chill the mousse for about 2 hours before serving. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It really is a lovely little keto dessert. I look forward to hearing your feedback in the comments. And as always, stay safe, stay happy, and eat well.